Hey guys, a quick little video here. I'm over here in the woods over here in Hopkins, and I've seen it from the trail before. I'll get a cigar going here. Anyways, this is off of a trail, and South Boulevard here in Hopkins. Right over here is 9 Mile Creek where it starts. I've seen over here, there's residential way over here. So it's all the homeless action over here. So let's go see. Oh, look. So it's kind of a cool little homeless shelter. Homeless person. I don't know what the hell this thing is up here. It's a nest, I think. But that's 9 Mile Creek down there. They'd always dump all the car wash behind me, dump all their crap down there. I can just walk over here. Kind of bottles down here, so this stuff, I don't know what the hell all this stuff is. Probably left over from a homeless person as well. Garbage. Sunglasses. Yeah. Water. All kinds of fun stuff in here, who knows? So, I don't know what's in there. It's a nice little bag, but who knows what's in here. Vacuum. So it's probably a bunch of steel and crap here. Up in there or not, but the bike's there, so that's probably stealing stuff, so who knows. Kind of a easy place to stay. You're close to downtown Hopkins. I've seen that trail go down before. That's where it is. So they're probably stealing stuff down there. But right behind me is the light rail. Down here is the Wendy's. So this is the 9 Mile Creek facility here. So you can see it. It's got green, but I guarantee if I had more time taking stuff, whatever else, so. You gotta walk through here too as well if you want. Kind of a little trail right there. So, but yeah, I just figured I've always wanted to come over here and see what's down there. Never know. Didn't see anybody in there, but you never know what you're gonna find, right? Homeless guy down there. I get it, but quick little homeless living in the woods in Hopkins, right off the trail. So all that stuff looks like it's something they stole. So, anyways, but what the hell? Shit happens.